What's good, YouTube? It's your boy MPZ415. I got a sneaker unboxing video for y'all. These shoes that I have, they came out probably about 3 weeks or so now. I just haven't had the chance to open them up, but I'm gonna do it today. So let's see what they looking like. Bear with me. I'm doing this with one hand. I got one hand holding the camera. My receipt from Nike. Congratulations on being the owner of the Air Jordan 1 rings. Nothing too special about this. Let's see what the shoe look like. Nice box. I've seen pictures of these, but I actually haven't seen this in person. A white box with the gold jump, man, I like that. Damn, this is a nice box. 10.5, retail $200. Colorway is black metallic gold. Put this box out of the way. I need the box no more. Oh, okay. That's cool. They come with a bag. Gold bag with the lace locks. I mean, not the lace locks, but the lace tips. That shit nice. Okay, let's see what else. So let's see what these shoes looking like. Okay. These look cool. I know when I first seen the picture of them, I thought they was black, and as you wear them, they turn to gold, but shit, it looked like they came out the box straight gold. It's nice. Let's see what the bottom look like. Wings. That's nice. Extra pair of laces. Oh, shit. Black laces with gold letters on them. The lace tips is gold also. Let's see what the inside of the shoe would look like. Okay. The regular shoelaces. It's cool. Way different than the regular ones. Let's see. Number 3,587 out of 19,400. Everyone can fly. As you can see, the soles also have the wings design. And with the other shoe, same thing overall. inside. The other shoe, same thing. Tag on the other shoe with the number of the shoe and the overall number. Overall, my opinion, it's a nice shoe. I love the color black and gold. So when I seen them, it was a no-brainer for me. I had to cop these. I'm glad I was able to win them. I know they was limited edition. Everybody can get a chance to win them. The time. It says wings with Jordan's arm stretched out with a basketball. Yeah, these some nice looking shoes though, man. Yeah, definitely some nice looking shoes. Alright, well, I've showed you the shoes. I'm definitely happy with the purchase. They look nicer in person than they do with pictures. Well, this video is over with. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button. Other than that, enjoy the rest of your day. Gone.